Hey guys, in today's video, let's see if we can get ChatGPT to update our PowerPoint presentation from our Excel spreadsheet using a VBA subroutine. And why I chose this example is because this is something the Excel macro recorder can't do. It can't show us how to update our PowerPoint slides from Excel. So let's give the instructions to ChatGPT. So, so as you can see, let me just set up uh, the example. I have a simple spreadsheet here with a country and some attendance, and I want to update a text box placeholder as well as a oval shape object as like a traffic light. Okay, so let's give the instructions. Okay, so could say something like, please create a VBA sub to update values in the first PowerPoint slide um, of a file called, we'll call it, the file name is demo ppt.pptx. Yep. From my Excel workbook. The Excel workbook is attendance called attendance, and the sheet name is, let me just go check what the sheet name was, is called data. Okay, so then what we want to say is the country value in A2 should replace the text box, and the value in and the quantity value rather in B2 should it should update the oval shape. And so we want a traffic light, so we could say something like, if the value is greater than 70, it should be, or we could just say green. If value is 51 to 70, it should be yellow, and below 51 it should be red. Okay, so I think these are the necessary instructions, and let's see what we get. Well, we get an error, so let's just copy this. We go refresh, and yeah, let's paste the instructions again here. Okay, so let's see if the code is correct. Okay, so I didn't pass in the object name, so let's just do some quick editing of the code. Okay. Okay. So it makes some assumptions as to where the files are saved. And then okay. Yeah, so this is, so I wanted to update from so the way I want it to work is I want to open the workbook, and then I want to use that as a starting point instead of putting the code in the PowerPoint itself. the code. So we update the code so that it is run from the Excel workbook instead. Yeah, so I think, yeah, I'd rather do it as a push instead of a pull. Okay, so this looks yeah, roughly how I expected. Some minor edits for the PowerPoint, the file location. That's a small one. And okay. Okay. Okay, so it's creating two functions. And okay, so let's copy this. And now let's put it here. Let's make a few small edits. So the first thing we need to do is the location of the file. So it should be C drive / demos demo ppt. Okay, the next one is the name of the text box and the oval. So we can get that by selecting the text box, going here, select, and selection pane. So it's text box 3 that I want to update. So yeah, text box 3 and it's oval 4. Of course, the other alternative is to rename the shapes in PowerPoint. And okay, so I think it's good to go. Let's see if it works. So the first thing we want to do is, and I've already done this, is to add the PowerPoint library reference. So look for this and make sure it's ticked. Okay, so let's run it, and let's save. Like, I'll just close this for now because it will open, run. So it opens up the PPT and it closes it again. So yep. So as you can see, the country's text box was updated and the color was updated as well. So yeah, so that's pretty handy. It updated the PowerPoint from Excel directly, something we couldn't if you had no idea where to start. It gives us a very good starting point to update your PowerPoint from Excel. And yeah, as you can see, we only needed to do some small edits and we had some working code. So hope you guys found this useful, and yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.